Hey, it's Rock here. I'm back from Beaumont, Texas. I spent the week studying with Lee Comeaux. There's questions about the grip on the forum, so I wanted to clarify how I'm taking the grip. It's not exactly the same as Lee, but it's very, very close, or it's basically as close as what I feel he's doing. So if you look at my hands, they're medium large. So what I do is on the right hand, place the grip, run along the lifeline on my right hand up to the base of my forefinger. So it goes in like that, I wrap it. All right, on the left hand, so let's show that a little closer. So it's kind of running lifeline, base of forefinger, goes in like that. All right. All right, on the left hand, it's the same thing. So the lifeline, base of forefinger, running across like so. So I wrap it around like that. All right. So the left thumb, this would be 12 o'clock. See this would be 12 o'clock. That's 1 o'clock. So I place it at 1 o'clock. All right. You can tell the long thumb, the thumb is long, so it's down the shaft. This would be a short left thumb. So from this view, it would be short left thumb would be here. So this thumb here would be about equal to where the forefinger is. This would be more of a long thumb. So I have a long thumb. All right. So now when I place the grip on, what I do is put the left hand on, wrap it around, put the right hand on, clamp it in, okay? And you can see, because the thumb is taking up some space, instead of the club being out in here, it has to move down to allow room for the thumb, all right? So it's just like that. So I grip it. All right, so the finished grip looks like, put the left hand on, put the right hand on. All right, I grab it, starting with the pinky, ring, middle, and then the forefinger. Now I grab it tight, so these two are kind of, not any pressure on them, but I do put them somewhere. I move the middle finger up the grip a little bit, put the thumb in here, so kind of like that. So it's right above the middle finger, right below the trigger finger, so it goes like that. So then the last step of the grip, actually the third step, is I release the left hand, release these fingers, and re-grip. And when I re-grip, I twist the left thumb in. So from this angle, it twists. So it twists like this. It's counterclockwise twisting. So I go like that. So most people consider that a very weak left-hand grip, but the thumb is at the 1 o'clock position in what would be considered a strong position. So, all right, so the finished grip, it looks like this. And the last step that I do before I move into the ball is I just tap the sole of the club onto the ground to set the grip, because in the swing I'm going to be slamming the sole into the ground with the iron, so I want to make sure that my grip's nice and secure. So, and that's the grip. So hopefully that's good enough for everyone to get a clear understanding of the grip. The one last thing I'll add is this is the sole. The sole of the club is the bottom here. So this is the trailing edge, this is the leading edge. So when I was talking about parallel lines, I'm talking a line this is the leading edge. So this would be perpendicular to that leading edge. All right, so these are lines going this way. Now the last three fingers on both hands, if you look at the base of the knuckle to to the first knuckle here to the second knuckle, this segment is parallel to these lines on the sole. So looks like that. See in this direction, this orientation, hopefully how these three are all parallel to the sole. Alright, so if there's any questions, please PM me or send, post in the forums. Hope that helps. Thanks everyone.